I used to hate the rain. It ruined plans, soaked my shoes, and turned the streets into rivers. One morning, caught without an umbrella, I ran for cover. An old man stood calmly in the downpour, smiling. "Why aren't you running?" I asked. He chuckled. "Why fight what you can't change?" I stopped, feeling the rain on my skin. It was cold but refreshing. The streets shimmered. Everything smelled clean. Since then, I don't run from the rain. I walk through it. Sometimes life is about learning to enjoy what we once tried to escape. Like and subscribe for more videos.